Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can open Snap on the web. Okay?
Ready, set, grab.
Before I start, make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel, give like and leave the comment to my video. So this is the way how you can open Snap on web. Okay? First of all, you can use via your phone or better your computer or laptop. Okay, open your browser. As you can see, for now I'm logged in into websnapchat.com. So if you want use web Snapchat, the link is websnapchat.com. This time I'm use my phone to log in on the web Snapchat, but I recommend you better use your laptop or computer to best experience. Okay, so this is the way how you can access websnapchat.com. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.